What's up YouTube? So I am going to do another makeup look, and I just did all the things for my TikTok. I'll put the name here if you want to follow me there. But to start, I'm going to outline. I already put primer and setting spray on my face so it could hold. I prepped one lash to be white, and I kind of just like, yeah, I'll do cross. So it's going to start right up here. The top line, and then I just erase everything that doesn't need to be there. So this is the rough line of what it's going to be. Then I'm just going to do a line down the middle from the top. I'm going to do it down to my neck. So I need to put my hair back and take off the necklace. These are the necklaces that I make. Fill in the black on this side inside the cross. Then I'm going to fill in this side, the outside of the cross with black. So that's the black. I'll go in with the white. So I'm just going to fill in this part. Quickly outline. And start to fill in. Look crazy in the thing. But I'm gonna draw on the eyebrows, so the black on this side. And actually I'm going to use this same one to do this bottom of it. Before I do the eyeshadow on that. Then I'm going to go in with the same one, go on the lip on the side. Then I'm going to use eyeshadow on the side. So before I put on the lashes, I'm gonna do like a tree-like thing on the black. This is what I did with the veins and everything else. Just gonna work down my hair. I feel like the band Kiss. This is the makeup look. I should use some glitter. Don't really know how to have my hair, but there, I like that much better. So this is a finished makeup look. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
About defining good and evil. I'm only using what the gods gave me.